Today we are making Raita. Raita is it's an Indian condiment that is a yogurt-based dish that is mixed with lots of spices, fruits, vegetables, usually vegetables and spices. It's really meant to be a cooling agent that you serve along with spicy foods like curries or other dishes. And because it's yogurt-based, it'll help cool your palate if you get overspiced, which can happen when you cook in a spicy food lover's kitchen like mine. So the recipes do vary from region to region, from cook to cook. There's different ingredients you can use, different spices, fruits, and or vegetables. But I love to make it a very specific way with serranos and cucumbers and lots of yogurt and spices. So let me show you how I make mine. All right, let's make some Raita here. Got some yogurt. Actually for this recipe, it's best to use just plain yogurt. Greek yogurt you can use, but it's pretty watery. So just use plain yogurt, and I'm using 2 cups here to start. So get that set into a bowl. And here I have a half of a medium-sized cucumber. Pop that right in there. Cucumber's nice and refreshing, delicious. I'm using serrano peppers here. I've got 1 small serrano, and I got it all chopped up. Peppers are pretty common in Raita, even though it's a cooling element, but makes it very delicious. Here I have shallot. This is a small shallot, minced. And we have fresh cilantro. This is about a half a cup of chopped cilantro. Delicious herbs and mint. I've got about a tablespoon here of fresh chopped mint. And mint is amazing, very cooling, very delicious. And I am using, here's a teaspoon of cayenne. And you can use some milder seasonings, like paprika is good. Here is about a teaspoon of cumin. And finish it off with salt to taste. So however much salt you like to use. Patty likes it a little more salty than me. And we just mix it all together, just like so. Very, very easy to do, isn't it? Get this all mixed up. And again, there are different ways to make Raita. You have different seasonings that you can use, different vegetables. You can use fruits in yours if you want to. The seasonings really can vary depending on your region and how you're going to serve it, what you're serving with. And, the curry, if you're serving this with curry, which is really what it's made for, you can sort of balance out your spices to complement your curry. Look at that. It's nice and thick. Boom, that's it, guys. That's how you make Raita. You can serve this right into a little serving bowl, set it aside, and again, it's great with curries. It's a nice cooling element, just delicious Indian condiments. And let me just give it a small taste here. Very good. I think a little more salt. Adjust to your personal tastes. And that's it, guys. That's how you make Raita. It's a delicious Indian condiment. Great, again, with curries. A nice cooling element for extra spicy dishes. And if you're a crazy spicy food lover like I am, you're probably cooking, spicy food on a daily basis. And every now and then, if it gets a little bit too spicy for you, here you go. Here's an excellent little side to serve along with you. So that's it, guys. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. I hope to see you again in my kitchen very soon. If you have any questions, leave some comments, and I'd be happy to talk with you. And check out the website, actually, at chilipeppermadness.com for a lot more discussion and options for variations on how to make Raita. So, all right, I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.